Look at the
Subscribe
specifications of
now
this property.
and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Namaste, I'm Rashmi Gupta and we are at one of the most amazing premium properties of Wakad in Pune, the Camellia. At 5 minutes distance from Hinjewadi IT Hub, Mumbai-Pune Highway, Bhumkar Chowk and upcoming Shivaji Chowk metro station of Wakad, this property does not compromise with anything. Leading schools like Rahul International School, Akshara International School, Blue Ridge High School, this property is around 2 kilometers distance from that place. इसी तरह malls जैसे Zion Mall, Phoenix 2 Mall and Grand High Street भी काफ़ी पास हैं. The speciality of this project is luxurious living along with the premium amenities offered. Spacious flat at a premium location. So here we are at the sample flat. It consists of 8 different variants of 2 BHK flats, starting from a carpet size of 758 to 827 square feet. We are at the sample flat that is of size 787 square feet, and main highlight of this area is video door phone and hetic door knobs. The main door of this flat is handmade. You get an enormous living cum dining space of size 22.6 by 11 feet size. This huge living cum dining space is usually seen in 3 BHK flats and not 2 BHK flats. The tile size is also huge. It is 2.5 by 5.5 feet and it is glazed Italian marble finish tiles. The dining space is also huge. You can easily accommodate a 4-seater or a 6-seater dining table as per your family needs and requirements. Moving towards the balcony, it has a huge space of 5 by 11 feet. Adding to it, we have wooden floor type tiles that makes it look beautiful. And of course, anti-skid makes it safe. Elegant metal railings and we have electric points for your usage. A granite counter and plenty of switches for your appliances. Chimney space for your water purifier and a big sink are all classic features of this kitchen. Besides, you get ample sunlight and good ventilations into this kitchen. The dry area is of course separated with a tile drop and has a separate space for washing machine. Coming to the outside, the kitchen platform can be extended in L shape. Coming to the common bathroom, it is premium in every way. Look at the wash basin, the granite counter, bathing area, fittings, wall tiles of 2 by 4 square feet. It has anti-skid tiles and common bathroom is of size 4.8 by 7.7 square feet. Coming to the kids' bedroom, which is bang opposite to the common bathroom, has a space of 10 by 11 square feet and it can fit in all the amenities for your child. It has a huge window to allow ample sunlight and good ventilation for a good and healthy living. It also has a grill for safety. Doors of rooms are of wooden frames and bathrooms are of granite frames. Coming to the master bedroom, which is immense in size of 12 by 11 feet. The master bedroom has an attached balcony to relax and rejuvenate yourself. Balconies and windows have a mosquito net fitted in premium quality aluminium frames in sliding doors. The balcony is covered from 3 sides to give you privacy. Moving to the master bedroom washroom, which has a size of 4.5 by 7.7 square feet. It has quality fittings. The fixtures are of best quality like rain shower, wash basin and granite platform. Same anti-skid tiles and wall tiles of 2 by 4 square feet. Now this was only the minor space we were living in. Coming to the macro aspect, like the amenities of the project, which includes an indoor game space, a clubhouse, well-equipped gym, definitely a swimming pool and a multi-purpose hall. For all your party celebrations, we have a rooftop celebration zone with a barbecue kitchen and bathroom provisions. You can spend quality time with your family in this amazingly landscaped garden and sitting area.